last will and testament?
Last will and testament is a document that says who gets your property after you die.
What is gun?
Gun is a weapon used to shoot bullets.
What is title to the car?
Title to the car is a document that shows who owns a car.
What is passport and birth certificate?
They are important identity documents.
What is tax record?
Tax record is a document about tax payments.
What is photo of baby's first haircut?
There is a picture of your baby's first haircut.
What is grandpa's pocket watch?
That is a grandpa's old watch, and it has a special memories.
What is photo of an important event in your life?
There is a picture of your special moment in your child life.